A small cutting of leaf propagation. Look at this. This is snake plant. You can propagate easily with a small cutting. This was dying actually. It was, look, you can see how dry it is, but I put it in the pot and see the rooting. This you can do easily. This is a Sansevieria plant, one of the best indoor plants, and also this is one of the permanent plants. This is an air purifier too. If you can see the small pup joining the main plant, I'll give you a close up, and that is a baby plant. And if you want to separate this baby plant and put it in another pot, by doing that you can multiply this Sansevieria. These plants are very easy to grow because they are low maintenance, and if you are a busy person, this is a best suggestion for you because these plants doesn't need regular watering, no need of putting fertilizer, and these are the low maintenance plants, so you can keep them indoors as an indoor plant because they gives us lot of purifier. They works as best air purifiers. So these plants are known for their good vibes for us, and in Feng Shui also this is one of the best plants to have. So look at this, I'm so happy because this plant now producing baby plants. I can multiply easily by dividing. I'm not going to do it today, but when I'm doing it, I'll do a separate video now just to share my happiness with you all. For us gardeners, even the growth of the plant gives us a lots of happiness because it's our hard work. So now this baby plant is a result of the hard work, giving it good watering, right temperature and right water, right fertilizer. It's growing really well. So thanks for watching, friends. That is how you multiply these type of Sansevieria plants. So thank you so much for watching. Do share, like and subscribe. Sansevieria fits into any small plant. That is another benefit for us gardeners because we can put it in any size of plant. Plastic, old mugs. Here I have them in old mugs. Here I have them in small pots. I will share some useful tips of growing this Sansevieria as well. So Sansevieria prefers the partial to shady sunlight. So that is, you know, because they don't like the bright sunlight. So keep it in a partial to shady area. Better indoors, better in a place where there's a shade. So do not keep them in a bright sunlight area. That is tip number 1. And do not overwater this plant. This is for lazy gardeners. You can water them every other day, or if it is very hot, you can water them when the top layer of the soil is dried out, or else you can skip watering. Normally in rainy weathers you can skip watering for about a week or 2. Nothing will happen. So this plant is a low maintenance plant. Check the soil, but do not let the soil get too dry as well. So water them sparingly. This is a beautiful indoor plant. Talking about fertilizer, use organic fertilizer, nitrogen high fertilizer. You can use coffee or tea fertilizer, or even vegetable fertilizer you can use, no problem. So I've been using them time to time, not regular basis. That also I do once in 6 months like. So this Sansevieria, you don't have to water every day, as I said, and you can skip everyday watering and keep it in a shady area, no bright sunlight. So this plant you can grow in any size of pot. Any small pot will be sufficient for this plant. Time to time you can multiply them and make free plants by dividing. So this is a best indoor plant for a beginner gardener. So you can cut a leaf from this and do the propagation as well in water. So these are the tips of growing Sansevieria. So keep in mind the soil should be well draining. Take some garden soil, add 50% of sand and 50% of garden soil. You can mix a little bit of cocoa peat, and this soil should be sandy soil. The soil should be a little bit dry. You can use the succulent soil as well. That will be best because these plants doesn't prefer the moisture too much in their soil, so keep it in mind. And also the soil should be well draining, and the drainage holes should be good enough for these plants. So those are the tips of growing Sansevieria. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, please consider subscribing and sharing with your family and friends this video. Thank you.